Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Remind.com to send text messages to your students from your computer. Let's go ahead and get started here. I'm at Remind.com. I'm going to sign into my account. And over here on the left-hand side, let's create a new class. Let's call my class Comp Sci 1. And we'll have a class code. Now, you might want to put that in a sticky note or save it somewhere for yourself. And I'm now going to select not affiliated with the school. If you are using this with your school, if your school has signed up for a school-wide or district-wide account, you'll see your school listed there and you can select your school. Now, down here, we'll see I will only message people 13 or older. Now, if you have kids who are under 13, you can still use this service. Just note that you do have to have parents' email address on file and you have to have parent permission. Just keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and create that. So I have my account here. So this is my Comp Sci 1, and let's go into People. And you can see right now I have just myself in here as the teacher. I want to add people. There's a couple of ways that we can add people, right? So first of all, I might do here I can do it that way, or I can put in an email address. So we have that option. We can add that person that way. We also have options over here for add people. We can select printable PDFs. And when I download this and open it up, we'll see there's the directions for joining from their phones. And we have in-person instructions. Simply tell people to text the code to the following number. And we have the option to share a link. All of those will work for getting your students and parents signed into your class. Now, here's where Remind really comes to life. Let's go ahead and send out a message. Now, there's a default first message. We can go and send that one if we like. But let's compose a different message. And let's look at some of the things we can do here. So let's say, hi class, just in case you missed it in Google Classroom, here's a copy of the syllabus for the course. And you can see there we can then upload a file, and I can attach any file that I want. Right? So you can attach any of our files in there and send them out. You can also have the option to connect from Google Drive and include a Google Drive file, our OneDrive, or any of these other options as well. But we can also upload a photo or a video. So let's say I want to upload this picture, or how about my branches of government lesson? I can attach that as a video and send that out immediately, or schedule it to go out at a later time. So let's say I want to schedule it to appear at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. I can do that as well. Now, I'm not going to send that one out. Now, if a student replies to you, they don't reply on your phone, they're not seeing your phone number, you can write back to them right here in your account settings. So that's a short introduction to how you can use Remind.com to send text messages to your students from your computer. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.